Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how to create a welcome flow in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. Once you've got set up, the first thing you might want to do is set up a welcome series. To begin, go to the integrations section in your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, make sure your integration status is enabled. It's also important to check which list your integration is syncing with. For example, if you're using Shopify, open the details and make sure it's syncing data to a specific list. This list will contain the contacts of people who place orders, abandon carts, or sign up through your site. So, it's important to take note of this list name. Now, go to the list section and find that same list. Click into it and check the opt-in settings. You'll want to set this to single opt-in. This ensures that anyone who signs up through your pop-up or form is automatically added to the list without needing to confirm their subscription through email. This is helpful if you're not following strict GDPR rules and just want a smooth sign-up experience. Once that's done, head over to the Flows section. Here, Klaviyo provides some starter flows under a section called Essential Recipes. One of them will be a ready-made welcome series. Click on that, and it will walk you through setting it up. When prompted, make sure to select the same list we talked about earlier, the one connected to your pop-up or integration. This ensures new signups go directly into your welcome series. After creating the flow, you'll see a few default emails. These are very basic, but they give you a good starting point. You can click into each one and customize the content to match your brand. If you want to keep it simple and get started quickly, you can edit just the text and images in these emails and go live right away. If you don't want to use a template and prefer to start from scratch, you can also do that. Click Create from Scratch and give your flow a name like Welcome Series Test. You can ignore the tags for now unless you plan to organize your flows later. Inside the flow, choose Added to List as your trigger and select the same list you've been working with. If you want, you can also add filters, but for most people, the basic setup works just fine. After saving the trigger, you can start building your flow. Drag in your first email and choose a template to design it. If you want the first email to send instantly, you don't need to add a delay, just place the email block right under the trigger. Finally, if you want to remove people from the welcome series after they make a purchase, you can set up a flow filter. Go to Flow Filters and add the condition, has placed order 0 times, and change the time frame to overall time. This ensures that once someone makes a purchase, they exit the welcome flow. You can use the preview option to check how this filter will affect real profiles, which is helpful to confirm that everything works as expected.